Hello everyone, I'm Christian John Matthew. I'm going to talk about the ERP which we made for Tesla Motors. Tesla Motors is an electric car company in California. It was started by a group of engineers, Silicon Valley engineers, just to prove that electric cars are awesome. And they have three models, and they make electric cars and they make electric car powertrain components. And they use a lithium-ion battery, and they make it for Daimler and Toyota as well. And after 10 years, from 2003 to 2013, they made the they made the profits in the first quarter of 2013. They made more than 2,250 Roadster in 31 countries. That is, they have three models. One is Tesla Roadster, Tesla Model S, and the upcoming Tesla Model X. And the first model, that is Tesla Roadster, sold more than 2,250 in 31 countries. And the next model came out in 2009, that is a Model S, and is an all-electric sedan, and I'm going to talk more about it. And in the picture we can see Elon Musk. He's the CEO of Tesla Motors. He's known as the modern-day Iron Man, and he's the man behind the SpaceX program and the upcoming Hyperloop program between Washington and Los Angeles, and travel in 1 hour. And he's the CEO of PayPal as well. This is a Model S, which you can see on the screen, and this is an all-electric sedan. This is the interior of the Model S car, and you can see instead of all the buttons there is just one big screen. And in the recent news there was a talk about Tesla being acquired by Apple, and they're going to use Apple software over there. And this is a soft suspension they have. You can increase the height and decrease it according to the need. For example, if it's going in a bumpy road, they can increase the suspension, and that is a soft suspension for Tesla Motors. This is a supercharged base along the highways of the United States. They can charge the car in 30 minutes. They can charge for 170 miles, and the top speed of the car is 202 miles. And this is the all panoramic roof of the car. This is all made of silicon, and by the press of a button it will turn dark, and another press it will turn transparent. You can see the stars. And it is so safe that they try to test it, and not only that, they got 5 out of 5. In fact, it broke the testing equipment. That's if it is Tesla Model S is termed as one of the most safest car in the world. This is a car. And the next model, Tesla Model X, and this is an upcoming car with this hatchback version, and you can see the Batman doors. Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the Tesla ERP which we made for Tesla Motor Company. And this is the ERP which we made in the Open ERP portal, and we just go right into the ERP session. I made a shortcut. Yes, and first we'll go to the manufacturing. I'll just give you an overview of what is happening here. And this is the manufacturing orders. Let me go to the products, and I'll explain to you what products we make. We make three main products. One is Tesla Roadster, Tesla Model S, and Tesla Model X. And these are the components which go inside the car: air conditioning system, aluminum wheel cap, and antenna system, battery pack, and all these. We have 48 components, main components which goes inside the car, including trunk assembly, tires, wind deflector fabric assembly, and windshield assembly. All these things go right into the car. Let me take the bill of materials. Say for a Tesla Roadster. Tesla Roadster is the first car, and we can see these products which go right inside the car. Windshield assembly for Tesla Roadster, we need only one windshield assembly. You can see the quantity. The window reflector, that is 4, and seats we have 5, and a power recliner we have 2, headliner we have 6, and dashboard we have 1. This is a bill of material for one particular car, that is Tesla Roadster. And about manufacturing orders and everything, my friends will talk to you. Let me go to accounting. I'll show you the customers which we have currently. These are the few customers we have right now: Alex, Matthew, Bibin, Joe, and Shilpa Maria Sebastian, and Sunit Desmana, Sadat Ali. All these are present customer base. And let me show you the suppliers we have. These are the supplies which Tesla rely on. They rely on ACG motors and Engel Demel and Bridgestone and Xenon and Sika. Let me just go to Brembo. Brembo provide them the brake disc and brakes and calipers, and you can see the address there, the Service Boulevard, and the website is given right here, the phone, the mobile and fax number, their email address. And we'll see the salesperson, that is Prince A. That is the suppliers. And let me go to the customer invoices. We can see we've sold 3 cars, one to Shilpa, another to Alex, and to Martin. We can see the total money they paid for the car, that is 67,000 euro, and including the tax, that is totally 7750 euros. Same with Alex and Martin. And here we have an option for refunds, which none of them have made, so we don't have any refunds yet. And yeah, these are the customer payments. And sales report, we tried to sell one to Manisha, it seems she didn't want. And these are the suppliers invoices we have, that is in warehouses, whatever this is a warehouse, sorry, in the purchases, whatever purchase orders they give, they give a lot of, these are the purchase order they give, and these are the purchase orders which is been approved by the accounts department, but these purchase orders have not been approved. We can see it in the accounts department, that is these invoices. You can see the paid one which the accounts department accepted, but the one in the blue color which has not been accepted. Let's go and accept one. This for star bills, and we go, they supply Hood gas spring, and they have quantity is 100 and the unit price is 15, no tax, so it is 1500 euros, and we're going to validate it. And we can in fact print the invoice. Let me this is a printed invoice, that is we have from Tesla Motors. We have the header file here, and we can see the description. This is actually the reference number as 28, invoice date is given, the source, and the quantity, the unit price, and you have the final price is given. There is in fact the tagline is also given. So we just saw the printed invoice. We can in fact share it with others. For example, I can I just put an email here. For example, I'll put my email. And I share it, and I just have to log in and find out this email is there. And if I want, I can delete it. If I want to duplicate it, I can duplicate it. So we just made for star blues, and you can see it turns black. It is not blue anymore. And let's see. And there is, we can even refund the supplier, and I'll show you the supplier payments we just made. Yes, we just made this and we just posted it. So whatever invoices which we paid, it is coming here in the supplier payments. We'll do one more, and let's see how that works from Magna. And we're going to validate it. We're going to pay it, and we're going to pay that in cash euro. And the period is given, the date is given, the payment reference, that is S17, is given. I'm going to pay it, and let's see if it has been paid. Yes, it has been paid, and let's see it in the supplier payments. It's there. Yes, it's right there, Magna, um, uh, and that is the supplier payments. You can see the supplies which are shown before. And this is the bank statements. Let me show you the journal items, journal entries, excuse me. And these are the journal entries, everything that is made, whatever we just made from Magna, that is posted here. Every journal entry is actually posted here. Let's go to the chart of accounts, and we're going to see all the in the fiscal period of 2013-2014, all the entries that has been made. And let's go to the balance sheet. And these are the journal entries which we made, the payment which we made to Magna, that is given here. And this is basically the accounting session for Tesla opening.
Hi friends, my name is Prince Joseph. I am going to talk about the module purchases. I believe Chris has given you an overall idea about the open ERP that we are going to make for Tesla. So once you are familiar with the tabs in accounting, now we are moving on to purchases. And in purchases, let us be familiar with the tabs over here. We have the purchase, we have the incoming products, we have invoice control, and we have products. And be familiar is a quotation that we are going to make. By clicking on this tab, we will create the quotations. Once we confirm the quotations, it will come under purchase orders. And these are the supplies of Tesla 8. Now to create a supplier, just create button and go on. And we have the incoming shipments, and these are the incoming shipments we have, and these are the incoming products. Now to waive it, we have to just remove this to do, and we have the number of products received. And this is the invoice control. We have on draft invoices to pay to our customers, and we have the purchase order lines, and we have on incoming shipments. And these are the products we are dealing with. We have all products over here. We have these are the saleable, because Chris has already told you, I believe, that we are going to make 3 cars. We have Tesla Roadster, we have Tesla Model S, and we have Tesla Model X. And we have the number of products over here. These are the number of products we have. We buy from our suppliers, and some of them we make. So we are going to make a quotation over here. We have already made the quotation. Not to create it, just click and we will create the quotation order. Now I am double clicking PO 00042. That is our request for quotation. And once we confirm it, we are going to make a decorative wheel fastener. We are going to buy it 75 quantity, and the unit price is 2. Total is 150. We are going to confirm the order. Okay, it has changed to purchase order, and we are going to receive the products. Okay, and these are the products we are going to receive. We receive. Okay, and we receive, and we are confirming everything. And if you want to cancel it, and we receive it. Okay, and these are the purchase order, and this is the purchase order that we look for. And before we receive, and in quotation, if we confirm the order, it will automatically come into purchase order. Once you receive the products itself in the quotations, it won't come here. And these are the number of suppliers we have. Okay, and these are the incoming shipments. I have told you before. These are the products on the shipments, and this is the number of products over here. Okay, and let us go to now. Let us speak about online draft invoices. And these are the invoices here we have. You see, and this we have made already. That is, we ordered for 75 quantity of decorative wheel fastener from Maclean Fork, and it is unit price is 2 per unit, and so 150. So we are going to validate it. Okay, everything is confirmed, and we check it. Everything is all right, and 150 is going to pay for it, and we are going to pay. How we are paying to pay? We are going to pay by cash. Okay, we can't. And if you want to be on the date, we are going to change it, and we are going to say, okay, we are paying. Yes, we have already paid, and thus we have going to be completed the purchase modules, and these are the products as I told before, and we are going to check it out on warehouse. Yes, in warehouse. Yes, we have received the products, and you see in this incoming shipments we have the products over here. Here ends the purchase modules, and yes, we have received everything. Yes, 150 is done. If you want to share it or embed it or delete it or duplicate it, we can make it. If you want to make it a print of it, we can make it. Yes, and this is the order that we have made for it, and this decorative wheel fastener for 750 units, and its total amount is 150 euro.
Hello friend, this is Mohammed Anatur Rahman. Now I am dealing with the warehouse portion. Warehouse actually helps the manufacturing departments to support the delivery of the parts as per the requirements in the production department. Now here is incoming shipment. This is the list of the incoming shipment we receive, and we want to see this is the overview of the incoming shipment. This is the supplier Brembo, and this is the brake caliper disc we are receiving from the supplier Brembo. Now if we want to create new incoming shipment, create supplier name, that is Brembo. Purchase order, that is, click on it, add an item, it is product brake caliper brake disc, quantity, save and close. Now this is registered here, brake caliper brake disc. We are ordering from the supplier Brembo. To confirm and receive. Receive. This shows that the product is received from the supplier Brembo. Now incoming products. In incoming products, here we receive only one products receiving from the suppliers. Create products. We are taking brake caliper brake disc again, quantity 3, reference again, process entirely. It's done. If you want to save it, and if you want to take a printout, then for the future use, take a printout. Now delivery orders. Here it is the delivery orders. See, this is for the customer Alex Matthew, different products delivered to him. If you want to create new delivery order, create customer name, that's Bipin Joy. Add an atom, product name, and save and close. Confirm and deliver. Now if you want to take a print delivery slip, click on the print. Other is done. Save it. If you okay, now delivery products.
Hi everyone, this is Naveen. I am going to deal with the manufacturing module. Our friends already explained how the manufacturing is getting the production department is getting the raw materials from the supplier. Now I am going to explain how the production department is arranging that raw material for production process. Before this, I want to explain you bill of materials. It will make easy to understand for you. Okay. Now, bill of materials. Bill of materials is a listing of all the raw materials, parts, sub-assemblies and assemblies needed to produce one unit of a product. Each finished product has its own bill of materials. Basically, a bill of material is a complete list of the components making up an object or assembly. It is also a part of material requirement planning input. For example, we take the assembly of a chair. Here if you see a finished chair, it need two front legs and one seat and one back support and two side rails and two crossbars. Here we are listing all these parts separately under this product name. This is the bill of material. Now I am going to manufacturing module. Hi everyone, I am explaining now manufacturing module. Under the manufacturing module, manufacturing orders, order planning, bill of materials, products is there. First we go into the products. These three are the main products we are manufacturing: Roadster, Model S, Model X, and the remaining products are the raw materials and sub-assemblies which we require to manufacture these main products. And some of them we are manufacturing and some of them we are getting from the suppliers. First we go into the bill of materials next. Now bill of materials. Here we are preparing bill of materials for the main products and also the sub-assemblies which we are manufacturing. We go into the main product bill of material. Here the car we are manufacturing is Model S, and here quantity we are manufacturing is 50, and these are the sub assemblies we require to manufacture this main product. And here if you take windshield assembly, we require 50 windshield assemblies for 50 cars. Like that, window regulator we need 200 for 50 cars. Like that, we are entering in the bill of materials what amount and the product name. Now we are going to create a bill of material. How to create bill of material? Now here we have to enter the product name we require to make. Here we entered. This is the reference we are giving for that product. Let us take 003, and here we have to give the quantity, how much we are going to, how many we are going to manufacture. Let us take 4. Here we have to add the subparts for manufacturing this model X car. Here let us take air conditioning system, and here we have to enter the quantity. For 4 cars we need 4 air conditioning systems, like that. Second product, antenna system. For 4 cars we need 4 antennas, like that. We have to enter all the products which we require to manufacture this final product and their quantities required. Now we have to save this bill of material. Now we are going for the manufacturing orders. Here we are going to give a manufacturing order for the production department. Let us take here Tesla Roadster order. This is the Tesla Roadster order. Already we manufactured this car, so this is the document of that manufacturing order. Here if you see the product name Tesla Roadster and the quantity we required to manufacture, we manufactured 40, and here the schedule date, in which duration it had manufactured. Next, bill of material, what we prepared earlier, Tesla Roadster bill of material, we are giving to this one. Now we can go into the how to create a manufacturing order. Now here if you see, this is the manufacturing order number, it automatically assigned. Now the product we are going to manufacture, let us take Tesla Model S. Automatically bill of material for Tesla Model S will come here, and product quantity we are going to manufacture, let us take 5 cars we are going to manufacture. And if you want to give schedule date for manufacturing this product, you can give done. Now if you have to confirm this order for next process. Now everything came here, the bill of material came here, and it is waiting for the next order. Now it's ready to produce. The production process started, and we are finally confirming the order. Here it's done. After completion, here if you see, the products to consume are changed into the consumed products, that is all these sub assemblies are consumed by this product, and the final products are ready to sell. Now this is one more is order planning. Order planning is to plan the manufacturing orders when the order has to start to produce, like that, like this. If you take this product, some product we are like this. One second. Now I'm creating a new one, manufacturing order as per the date, as it is as same as the manufacturing order, but we are creating as a plan. That means first model X on this day, and model S on the after 10 days, like that. We can schedule before itself, before. This is about the manufacturing, and then these products are delivered to the warehouse where they are available for the selling process. Thank you.